Pumili tayo guys ng 1 lucky follower na mag-uwi ng Boya Magic 5 worth 7,500 completely for free. But before that, pag-usapan muna natin ano bang meron sa mic na to guys. So guys, ang pinaka-major feature ng mic na to guys is the AI noise cancellation in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bilang nawala guys yung tunog ng maingay na to guys. And another thing, pwede mo siyang gamitin through handheld, pwede mong gamitin through desktop, pwede mong gamitin on camera, and pwede mo siyang gamitin multi-clip at tulad ng ginagawa natin right now. This mic records on a 24-bit guys recording which gives you a studio level quality of mic guys. So only 7,500 pesos with AI noise cancelling guys na ganito kaganda. Plus guys, 200 meters guys of range which is super duper crazy guys for this smaller mic na suot natin right now and up to 20 hours of battery. Now, gusto mo guys magkaroon ng libreng Boya Magic mic guys. So simple na gawin mo. Meron tayong full rate na itong mic guys on our YouTube channel. Panoorin mo lang yun para makasali ka guys on our giveaway guys. Again, this is the Boya Magic mic. As you can see, ang galing mo. So, sa this video ko, bye!